Olympic and World 800 meters champion Caster Semenya is determined to return to the track without restrictions. Semenya is barred from competing in certain races unless she agrees to artificially lower testosterone levels, which is seen as a competitive advantage. Semenya's legal team is preparing to approach the European Court of Human Rights to contest the ban. CGTN'S Julie Scheier reports.
Lawyers for double Olympic gold medalist and three-time world 800-meter champion Caster Semenya are taking her fight to the European Court for Human Rights. Semenya is barred from competing because of naturally elevated testosterone levels caused by differences in sexual development.
She cannot run between 400 and 1500 meters. Those are the regulations that stipulate that she can't do so. She can do so, however, if she has medical treatment in terms of medicines, alternatively invasive surgical treatment. But frankly, Caster won't have either. And if she's going to run freely and openly as Caster.
Semenya has been in a drawn-out gender battle with the IAAF since clinching the world title in 2009. She's lost 2 challenges against the body in the last 2 years at the Court of Arbitration for Sport and the Swiss Federal Supreme Court.
I can't say I'm targeted because of I'm an African black woman. What I can say is that I'm targeted because I'm undefeated. If you don't want women, just scratch them out of competitions. And then we'll go sit there, do whatever we do best. Because now you're going to categorize. What is it that you're categorizing?
While her legal team takes care of businesses, Semenya's kept her mind on the postponed 2021 Tokyo Olympics.
She's incredibly strong, and for a young person, she turns 30 in January. She has an indomitable spirit and very, very strong in terms of her willpower, her strength of mind, her strength of being, and her absolute discipline.
South Africa's greatest athlete has the backing of Parliament at home, the African Union and the United Nations. Public support is also growing from adoring fans.
I definitely think she should run because I feel that it's not fair. She did not decide to be the way she is. She was created that way and she is classified as female. So she deserves every right of any female in the world.
She's a role model to many kids, considering she's coming from a really poor family, from a rural village, you know, where there's less opportunities for you to succeed. I mean, she is the icon to many people, especially children who are growing up, who are aspiring to be athletes like her.
This might be a long road for Semenya, but it is an important fight and could redefine the grey area for athletes with differences in sex development.
Whether Caster wins or loses, I've always said to Caster, she wins at the end of the day. She's ahead of the curve and has always been ahead of the curve, and she understands that, by the way. She fully understands what taking this fight to the court actually means.
Semenya's team is optimistic of a win this time round, although it may not be in time to defend her Olympic title. Julie Scheier, CGTN, Johannesburg, South Africa.